In this video, I am going to show you how to download OLED TV on your Firestick easily and quickly. First, turn on your Firestick and navigate to the home screen. From there, go to Settings in the top menu. Scroll to the right and select My Fire TV. Next, click on Developer Options and ensure that Apps from Unknown Sources is turned on. This setting allows you to install applications from outside the Amazon App Store, which is necessary for OLED TV. Now, return to the home screen and use the search function to find the Downloader app. If you don't have it installed, go ahead and download it from the Amazon App Store. Once installed, open the Downloader app. In the URL field, enter the link for the OLED TV APK file from a trusted source and click Go to start the download. Once the download is complete, you will see an installation prompt. Click Install to install OLED TV on your Fire Stick. After the installation is finished, you can open the app directly from the Downloader app or find it in your Apps section. Start enjoying live TV channels and content with OLED TV on your Fire Stick. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.